The importance of writing a great copy when selling your products and services. Writing content for website is something that goes beyond having good grammar. Your content must be your target audience and solve their problems. At the same time, you should educate your audience about your business. The goal is to inspire them to take some kind of action. Yes! For online businesses, having an excellent written copy represents everything. It represents being able to get the most out of the website design. A written copy is understood to be what you sell, so it must be compelling. The copy must also be concise and clear. These two factors will make your message digestible, which represents the essential element to ensure that your words are both easily read and understood. Compelling copies succeed in wowing your target audiences. In the same way, it manages to make people take the action that it saw. The way you do this is by capturing the audience's attention. The convincing copy manages to solve the problem that the reader has.